This is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station, live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Massive blizzard is heading for city of Calgary, Alberta on Monday, December 2nd, 2013. It's going to bring up to 30 plus centimeters of snow with a widespread blowing snow and drifting snow in city of Calgary. It's going to be a lot of snow heading for city of Calgary. It's going to be a blowing snow, drifting snow, whiteout conditions. And it's going to be a blizzard-like conditions in city of Calgary. It's going to be a blizzard to hit city of Calgary because of the intense low-pressure system coming from British Columbia. Then it's going to head through Calgary, Alberta. People in Calgary, Alberta, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready. Have your winter jackets ready. Hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants is ready. It's going to be a massive blizzard. Roads will be very bad. When you're driving a car, take your time driving the car. Be very careful. Slow down and take your time driving the car so you don't get into car accidents in the city of Calgary. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and buy cases of Coke. The power might go out in the city of Calgary during a massive blizzard. It's going to be a winter storm watch has been upgraded to a blizzard warning in city of Calgary. It's going to be a lot of snow in city of Calgary as well. Have your iPads charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your laptops charged. Have your 3G and 4G internet ready. It's going to be a snowing out and a lot of snow and very strong winds in the city of Calgary. And just in case the power goes out, have your battery operated lanterns ready. Have your batteries ready. Have your flashlights ready. Have your crank up radio ready. Because it's going to be a massive snowstorm and the blizzard conditions to hit city of Calgary on Monday, December 2nd, 2013. Just in case the blizzard gets worse, do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Because it's going to be lots of snow, very strong winds, and the blizzard conditions. It's going to be whiteout conditions, zero visibility for city of Calgary. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea to keep you warm. And turn on your furnaces and have your fireplaces ready for a massive blizzard to hit city of Calgary. Have your shovels ready. Have your snow scoops ready. Have your snow blowers ready. Have your snow plows ready. Roads will be very bad, slippery, and snow-covered roads in the city of Calgary on Monday. Take your time driving the car, slow down, be very careful driving the car so you don't get into car accidents in the city of Calgary on Monday. Best luck here. People in Calgary, Alberta, be prepared for a massive blizzard. Take care and stay safe. But don't get caught in the blizzard. Be safe.